Hi guys, welcome to the Finest Food channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss an update. Today we'll be making eggless bread pudding. It is really tasty. So let's begin. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoon custard powder. To that, add half cup water. Mix both these ingredients well. Make sure there are no lumps. We are going to use this mixture later. In a pan, take 2 cups milk. And to that, add half cup sugar. Stir the milk and sugar on medium flame till the milk starts to boil a little. In the meantime, in a mixer, grind 5 big slices of bread. You will get these breadcrumbs. Now to your milk, add the custard mixture and stir well till it thickens. This is to be done on a medium flame. You can see how the mixture has thickened up. Now lower the flame and add the breadcrumbs a little bit at a time. Add the rest of the breadcrumbs and stir well. You can switch off your flame if you want. Now pour your mixture in a baking tin and level it a little. Preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and bake your mixture in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Once done, remove from the oven and let it cool to room temperature. Then keep it in the fridge for 2 hours to set. Cut your pudding into pieces and it is ready to eat. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss an update.